Okay guys, so before I get into the video, before I start talking about the repair PDF information, make sure if you guys buy, I'm going to put the link to buy it in the description, and it'll take you right to a PayPal account where you can pay for it. And in that, make sure you put your email in the description so that I can send you the PDF folder with all the information about the truck in it, so that you guys don't have to wait. And I'm blowing it out right now at $35, just probably for this week, and after that it's going to go back to the regular price of $60, where I sell it at. So again, it takes time to put all this stuff together, and I think I talk about that in the video. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what the video does. And then for you guys that just want, I have the actual, just the Cascadia actual manual, and I'll post a picture or somewhere, or a link or somewhere up here so you guys can see that if you just want the standard one. And it does cover a lot of like maintenance and what you need to do and things like that. It's almost like an owner's manual, but a little bit more detailed. Like, it does have repair information in it. That one I am selling for $15, so you can get either one. I have not created that link yet for that one. I'll probably be doing that this week, but if you're interested in that, just say it in the comments or email me at allaboutsemis@gmail and tell me that you want just the standard one, and I'll get that to you. But check the description below. I'm going to update all the information there. Peace out. What it is, y'all, it's your boy QDeezy. Just want to put it out there that I'm now selling the ebook for the DD15 and the DD13 engines. I'm gonna start covering some other models, the Volvos, the Cummins, and actually I already covered some of the Cummins and the ISX engines and the Cascadias. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this, I could either provide it via download link, or you can email me and buy it directly. I'm going to be selling it for $35, and it is the complete repair information for the trucks. So I just want to show you guys what you're going to get. But this is it tells you, this one will tell you, like, you know, everything you need to know. This will tell you where your SAM cab, SAM chassis, main, ground, junction blocks, you know, fuses, you know, all kinds of different information in here. And I have it sectioned very well so that you can find what you need, you know, tell you everything you need to know about the electric side of things. And then we'll go back. This is actually the valve cover, removing the valve cover here. But I'm looking for, let me go out of here and do the, you know, this has everything. So we got the EPA for your DEF, DD13, troubleshooting codes, installation of different stuff. I mean, I'm gonna just go into the workshop manual here. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you know, anything you really want to know is going to be in here. Camshaft, tell you about your timing, and so I just want to put that out there. If anybody interested, you can email me. My email will be in the description link, and then we can go from there. Here we got our EGR valve, EGR cooling procedure, how to remove and access the fuel from the cooler after the engine brake, solenoid failure. And then just your EGR cooler water manifold. Tells you all the components that's there. Drive belt replacements. And this is even on the Cummins. So this, like I said, this particular software is covering the Cummins, so you can see that. Cummins ISX engine. Descriptions of how the oil flows through the engine and everything, gives you the complete flow of everything. We even got how to prime the engine for oil if you do work on it. And it tells you the tools you need. These numbers, this J49 this is the tool number of the tool. Anytime you see these J, see this is a tool. So all you have to do is put that number into Google and it'll bring up the tool for you, and that's how you'll know where to get the tools from that you need for different jobs. All right, that's it, guys. Like I said, I'm starting it out, selling it for $35, as a blowout to put it out there. And then I'm going to go back to my normal price of what I normally sell it for, which is $60 bucks. So it's a little bit, over half for what I usually sell it for. It takes a lot of time to put all this together, get all the information together and put it in sections and files. You can actually go into the top box once you're in any particular folder. You can go up here, type in what you're looking. So let's say you were looking for let me see if I can show you guys. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys, but let's just say you're going for water pump. You can go in here. I have it set where you can type in water pump. Right, and then you hit enter, and it'll bring up, boom, like that. Look at that. And it's showing you, description and operation of coolant and related components. And this whole section will be that. See, operation of coolant it'll get you in the area where you want to go. And there it is. So it takes time to kind of like get this stuff together and link like that. So just having it is worth it. And for you guys that don't even work on your stuff, when people tell you, well, we got to work on this, we got to remove this and that, at least you have some kind of reference to look at and say, you know what, let me see what's involved with this. And there you go. Or if you want to see it's something that you might be able to tackle. But repair information, holla at your boy. This also helps support the channel. So thank you, and I'm out.